Before screens, families huddled around a glowing wooden box and stared at it anyway. The box gave us more than shows. It gave us these. Here are 8 idioms from radio. Number 1, stay tuned. Touch that dial and you will miss everything. Stay tuned means don't go anywhere. The good part is coming right after this. Number 2, on the same wavelength. 2 radios tuned to the same frequency play the same song. 2 people on the same wavelength finish each other's sentences. Number 3, loud and clear. No crackle, no fuzz. Every word lands. Reading you loud and clear means the message came through perfectly and was completely understood. Number 4, static on the line. Somewhere between the sender and you, crackle, hiss, interference. Static on the line means noise and pushback garbling the message. Number 5, a household name. Some voices came through the radio so often, the whole family knew them. A household name is famous in every living room in the country. Number 6, drop the mic. Say the perfect final line. Open your hand. Let the microphone fall. Dropping the mic means ending on a note so good nothing can follow it. Number 7, dead air. The host stops, the seconds stretch. The silence gets loud. Dead air is the empty broadcast silence that anybody needs to fill. Number 8, broadcast it to the world. Tell one radio tower, and you have told everyone from Maine to Malibu. Broadcasting something means announcing it to absolutely everybody at once. And that is 8 idioms from the radio days. Stay tuned. Always stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.